Back pain. It's like this unwelcome guest that just won't leave, isn't it? You wake up one morning, stretch a little, and there it is, lurking in your lower back, reminding you of every bad decision you've ever made. Like that time you thought lifting that heavy box was a good idea. But here's the thing. Yoga can be a game changer. It's not just about twisting yourself into a pretzel or chanting mantras. It's about finding relief, reclaiming your body, and learning to listen to what it needs. First off, let's talk about the power of the cat-cow stretch. It's simple, yet so effective. You get on all fours, and as you inhale, you arch your back, letting your belly drop toward the floor. Then, as you exhale, you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. It's like a gentle wave, and it helps to loosen up those tight muscles. It's a way of saying, "Hey back, I'm here for you. Let's work together." And then there's child's pose. Oh, sweet child's pose. It's like a warm hug for your back. You kneel, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest on the mat. It's a moment of surrender, a chance to breathe deeply and let go of the tension that builds up throughout the day. You can feel the stretch along your spine, and it's a reminder that it's okay to take a break, to pause, and just be. Now, let's not forget about the downward-facing dog. It may look intimidating, but it's a fantastic way to stretch out your entire back. You push your hips up and back, forming an inverted V. Your spine elongates, and you can feel the release in your shoulders and lower back. It's like a reset button for your body, a way to shake off the stress and find some space. And if you're looking for something a bit more restorative, try the supine spinal twist. Lying on your back, you draw one knee into your chest and then let it fall over to the side, keeping your shoulders grounded. It's a gentle twist that helps to release tension in your spine and promote mobility. It's a reminder that sometimes we need to let go of what's weighing us down. Finally, remember to breathe. It sounds simple, but it's crucial. Deep, mindful breaths help to calm the nervous system and ease the pain. Each inhale can bring in fresh energy, and each exhale can release the tightness. So, as you move through these poses, let your breath guide you. Your back will thank you for it.